Good afternoon, students. In previous video we have seen decimal places up till 10th place. So this was your previous video. This is ones place, 10th place, and after ones place, if we go right hand side, then we put here decimal and we write here 10th place. And what will be the value of this digit? If it is here, then it will become that number only 5. If it is here, then it will become 50. But if it is the right to the decimal, then the value will be 0.5, or we had written here 5 tenths or 5 upon 10. So here if we jump one more right hand side, then what will happen? Means we have jumped here towards right hand side one place, then the name of the place was tenths. So if we jump one more place, then I have drawn this chart. You can see here this is decimal. After decimal, left hand side first place is ones place. This you have learnt in class 4. This is tens place, this is hundreds place. So these are this side already you have learnt in previous classes. Now if we will go this side, and what will be the value of this? See, here I am showing it is in tens place. So 6 into 10, 60. So place value of 6 is here 60. If it is 5 is in ones place, so what will be its place value? 5 into 1, 5 only, because 1 means we will multiply by 1. If it is 10 means we will multiply by 10. If this digit is in tens place, what is the difference between these two places? This is T and S, tens, and this is T and THS, tens place. So this value will be, when we are going this side, then we are multiplying 1, 10, 100, 1000. And when we will shift this side, then we will divide. Instead of multiply, we will divide. We will divide this by 10, 4 upon 10. So its place value will be, and how we read this? 0 and 4 tenths, or 0 decimal 4, reading part. And this is 4 upon 10. Now if we jump one more this side, means one more right hand side, so this, what will be this value? This value will be 7 upon 100. See here, it is 4 upon 10 because it's in tens place. So next place is called hundreds place. And one more jump this side, this place will be called thousands place. So tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. So this value will be 7 upon 100 because this is in hundreds place. 2 places after decimal. When it is 3 places after decimal, 1, 2, 3. So we will write 8 upon 1,0,20,30 means 1000. This is in which place? Thousands place. That is why this will be divided by 1000. Here this is in which place? 6 is in tens. That is why this is multiplied by 10. Similarly, this is in which place? Hundreds place. After decimal this side. So this will be divided by 100 and result will be 0.07. This 0, this place for this 0, and this 7 is in hundreds place. Here this will be 8 upon 1000 and in decimal representation will be 0.008. Now come on to the worksheet number 2. Question number 1 is read the following decimal only. So I have written here. So by this way you will read only. So first reading is 5, this 5 and 3 tenths. How we will read this? 5, this decimal. There are 2-3 ways of reading. Today I am teaching only one way. Next period I will read in another way also. So 5 and 3 tenths. What will be this reading? 182, and this we will say, this decimal place we will say and how much this is? 135 thousands. Total how many places are the decimal places? 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3 means 1000. It is going, digits are going up till thousands place. So this reading will be 135 thousands. Read this. 91, and how much this is? 2 places. 2 places means restricted up to this. बस यहीं तक पढ़ना है, 2 places. So 99 up till here only, so hundreds, 99 hundreds. So reading will be in this way. Question number 2b, write the number name. The first one is done for you. Similarly, whatever we are reading, similarly we will write also. So 15 and 72, you count this, how many places? 2 places. So 2 places means up till hundreds only. So this reading will be 15 and 72 hundreds. Now what will be the another reading? Question number, another reading you see. For example, E 45 and there are 05 written, means 2 places. So 2 places means we are going up till hundreds place. So 45 and 5 hundreds. What will be reading of this? M1, M 768.135 this is. So how we will read this? 768 and 135 thousands, because this is going 3 digits. So 3 digits means it is going up till thousands place. Here 2 digits only, after decimal 2 digits. So this reading will be 9 and 24 hundreds. Here there are 2 places. So how we will read? 125 and 9 hundreds. See here F1, F question, 987 and decimal 62 written. So how we will read? 987 and 62 hundreds. So this is the reading of question number 2, reading and writing. Now question number 3, the same thing is given in words, we have to write in digits. So I have done here 3b. 3b is 62 and 100s. 60, question number B is 60 and 100. So how we will write 100s? 60.01. Here if we will write 60.1, then it is right or wrong? The same question, 60 and 100s, if I write, then this is right or wrong? This is wrong, because what will be the reading of this? This reading will be 60 and 1, एक place है, tens only, 60 and 1 tens. So this is, here it is given 100s given. So 100s will be written 01. So this is wrong. Question number C, 24 and 12 hundreds. So we will write 24 and 12 hundreds. Question number E, 2 and 400, 2 and means decimal. And how much written? 476. 476 thousand. This is thousand. So 476,000. So this is the one way of writing the decimal places. So today we have learned hundreds place, thousands place also we have learned. Their values will be this way, this not came, this value. Today only reading part is there, how we will read. So your homework is question number 1 only reading, don't write in any copy. Question number 2 in notebook. Question number, these 2 in notebook, and question number 3 and 4 in book only. Now all you have received new textbook. So this you will fill this answer in your textbook only, no need to write in your notebook. Okay, thank you.